How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down till you find Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Then go to Account Center. In here, click on Personal Details. Then click on Account Ownership and Control. After that, click on Deactivation or Deletion. Then select your Facebook account. Make sure your blue mark is in Deactivate Account. Then select the reason for your deactivation. Then click on Continue. Again, click on Continue. Then click on Deactivate Account or simply scroll down till you find Continue. Click on Continue and then you need to add your Facebook password and your account will be deactivated. This is how to deactivate your Facebook account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.